Put your hand down and see if he goes to you. That's so crazy.
Oh!
Did he peck you?
No, he opened his mouth and put in my food.
He thinks you have food.
Yeah, good boy.
Oh my goodness.
Kiss me.
He's trying to peck you.
It's in there. It's in here.
Oh!
Rocker!
He attacked me.
It's okay. He just wants to go.
I'm going.
Good boy. Be a good boy.
I'm going inside. What's the matter?
He likes you. Come here, Rocker.
I'm gonna throw something at it.
Don't!
I swear to God, if it comes near me, Lenny, get away from this bird. I mean it. I want you to go inside, because he's mean. Something's wrong with him.
Come on, Rocker. Come on, boy.
No, I don't want him by the door. I want to go inside. And I want you to go inside, too, because something's wrong with this bird. He might have a disease or something.
Go inside, hurry.
Let's see if he goes in there.
We need to trap him. We're gonna need to trap him.
No. I'm not scared of anything.
Trap him. Trap him. Trapper? In the cage. In the cage.
Go open the door, Landon. I want to... Oh, shit. I want to go inside.
Want me to run over there so he calls me?
No.
Rapper!
Stop. 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 What's that?
Thomas, come over here. Help us. This bird's poking at my mom.
Okay. I don't know, but it tried to attack me.
Oh my god. That bird
I think it might have a disease.
kind of looks like it's not fat like the other bird.
Shit.
Coming,
Let me go.
coming.
Shit.